Hello guys, today I'm here with this latest new iPhone 17 which current price is 82k, and while some credit card discount you can get up to as low as 75k from online store. I bought this from Flipkart and this summer so. Inside the box we only get to see handset, SIM ejector pin and USB-C to secure it. In this iPhone 17 out of box, I got iOS version 26.41. Meantime, I got updated latest version iOS 26.5, which is about 3.8 GB. In this iPhone, we get 1 year warranty, same as like any other smartphone. This iPhone warranty showing will expire in 13/05/2027. Out of box battery remain 59% charged and use 4%. This iPhone got manufacturing on 04/2026. First time we got to see 120Hz display on base model on this iPhone 17. All previous base model had 60Hz. This iPhone 17 gives handful competition with Pro models which cost 1.5 lakh, twice of its price. In this phone, we get internal storage about 256 GB and 512 GB, 8 GB RAM with latest A19 chip 6-core processor, 48 plus 48 megapixel rear camera and 18 megapixel front camera. Display type LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED. Display size 6.3 inch with protection ceramic shield 2 anti-reflective coating. With 120Hz display, scrolling and opening apps feels buttery smooth. And here I have done some tests like playing videos with full sound on, playing games and clicking some photos.
Our nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise.